When making changes to a DAML application, you should first try to make the change by adding new templates instead of modifying the old ones. However, there are situations where you cannot avoid making changes to an old template. This lesson covers how to make changes to existing templates in a way that preserves all authorization guarantees and gives a systematic way to perform the upgrade. To do this, you will learn about the upgrade contract pattern. Here is a scenario where there is a package named initial state that has a module named cache. It has two templates. The position template has issuer and owner as two signatories and observers as a list of parties. It has a choice, propose transfer, which returns the contract ID of a transfer proposal. The transfer proposal template has a copy of the position for which the transfer has been proposed. The signatory of the transfer proposal is the same as that of the position. The new owner is one of the observers added to the list of observers of the position. It has two choices, accept and cancel. If accepted, the position will be transferred to the new owner. Here is the workflow in this scenario. The owner of a position exercises the propose transfer choice, which creates a transfer proposal. At this point, the owner can cancel the proposal, or the new owner can accept the proposal, in which case the position is transferred to the new owner. Here is the code. The position template has a propose transfer choice. The transfer proposal with two choices, accept by the new owner and cancel by the owner. Using these two templates, you can use a script to simulate an initial state of the ledger. Here are two data records to create test parties and test users. Test parties has pbank, palice, and pbob. Test users has their corresponding user IDs, ubank, ualice, and ubob. The script init parties allocates test parties and init users maps test users to their respective parties. Finally, in the init cache script, you create a position payload with pbank as the issuer as well as the owner and quantity as 1. With this payload, the bank creates a transfer proposal to transfer 5 positions to Alice and 3 positions to Bob. Once Alice and Bob accept these proposals, they have the positions in their accounts. When you run this script, you get a starting state of the ledger with all transfer proposals archived and an active contract set of 5 positions for Alice and 3 for Bob. Now, assume that the bank wants to add a field called currency to the position template. You know that you cannot just go ahead and change the position template code without obtaining approval from all the parties involved in the contract. To make sure that you take appropriate approvals in a systematic manner from the parties involved in a template, you can express the upgrade itself as a contract to which all parties must agree. This provides a mechanism to let the parties know that this is an upgrade and gives them an opportunity to accept or reject it. This approach is called the upgrade contract pattern. This is based on the propose accept pattern that you may be familiar with. The key idea is that the issuer proposes the upgrade to the position owners through an upgrade proposal. This template has an accept upgrade choice that must be accepted by the counterparty. When the counterparty accepts this choice, an upgrader is created that has the run upgrade choice, which the issuer can now exercise. The run upgrade choice will then archive the old positions and create new positions according to the new position template in the Upgrade 3 package. The workflow in a script would go something like this. For each of the owners, say Alice and Bob, the bank creates upgrade proposals. Alice and Bob then exercise the accept upgrade choice, which creates their upgrader contracts. In the example, you have just 2 owners with a handful of positions. In a real-world application, there may be thousands of owners with millions of positions. So these upgrader contracts need to be batched together to optimize upgrade performance. At a conceptual level, the bank will submit these upgraders, which will fetch the old positions to extract the payload, archive the old positions, and then create new positions. Let us look at the code. First, create a separate package where you write the new template code. Here, you have the Upgrade 3 package. Inside that is the currency module with the new position template, which has a currency field. This template replaces the old position template in the initial state package shown earlier. Next, there is the Upgrade module in Upgrade package, where the old cash positions are imported. Also, you need the new currency module that will have the new positions. The Upgrade proposal has just one choice: Accept Upgrade, which creates the upgrader. In the upgrader template, there is a non-consuming choice called Run Upgrade, which takes a list of position CIDs as an input parameter. For each of these positions, it extracts the payload by using the fetch function, then archives the old position. It then uses the payload to create a new position record, with currency as US dollar, with the rest of the fields remaining the same as in the old position. Let us test these in a script. In this test upgrade script, start by running the InnoCash script to bring the ledger to a certain state. Then, the bank proposes the upgrade to Alice and Bob, one by one. Alice and Bob accept the proposal, which creates their upgrades. Then, the bank queries for all the upgrades. For each upgrader, it fetches all the positions of the counterparty in that upgrader and extracts the old position CIDs. Finally, the bank exercises the Run Upgrade choice, passing the position CIDs. When you run this script, all the positions in initial state package are archived, and new positions in Upgrade 3 package are created that have currency as their new field. This example demonstrates how to change a template using the upgrade contract pattern. Let us summarize. The upgrade contract pattern provides a way to change existing templates without breaking the authorization guarantees. Instead of treating a change to a template as just a software update, it treats upgrade itself as a contract to which all concerned parties must agree. In this pattern, there is an upgrade proposal with a choice to accept proposal for the concerned parties. When a party accepts the proposal, an upgrader contract is created that has a Run Upgrade choice that is then exercised by the party making the changes.